Welcome to Aesthetic Marvi. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing DIY skincare recipe that will give you glowing skin using just one ingredient, rice. To achieve glowing skin, give this a try. Take half cup of rice. Rinse it off twice. Boil rice until it is 70 to 80% cooked. Wait till it cool. Get rice water in a jar. Blend 3 tablespoons of rice paste with 5 spoons of rice water. Store it in clean jar and use within a week. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes on clean skin. Then rinse it with cold water. And expect good results within a week. Now, let's discuss its benefits for achieving glowing skin. 1. Exfoliates dead skin cells for a smoother complexion. 2. Brightens skin tone and reduces dark spots. 3. Provides deep hydration for a glowing look. 4. Soothes inflammation and redness for clearer skin. Subscribe for more skincare tips.